Hey, what's up guys? Well, I'm the credit coach with another weekly tip, and this week I want to talk about what is statute of limitations. A lot of people confuse the statute of limitations with how long an account could be reported on a credit report. Those are two separate things. Statute of limitations is this. That is the time frame a creditor, lender, anyone who's collecting a debt from you can sue you in court. Now it varies from state to state. For written and oral contracts in California is 4 years. So when does that time clock start? It starts from the moment you last send in your last payment. You have to send in the last payment before you miss a payment, before it goes to collections, before it gets charged off. Statute of limitations is there to protect us in case a lender creditor wants to sue us and is past the statute of limitations. How long an account could be reported on a credit report is a whole different topic. But the statute of limitations is the time frame a lender creditor, anyone who's collecting debt from you, has the time frame to sue you in court to collect that debt. So I hope I was able to clarify the confusion that one is completely different from the other. See you guys soon.